Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to begin chapter 2, that is exponent. Exponent you have already studied in your class 7th, but again I am going to explain or I am going to revise some of the rules which will be followed in this exercise. So the first is, if we have power 0 of any number, if the power is 0, then the value is always 1. If the power is 0, then the value is always 1. If we have a negative power like a raised to power minus 2, negative power always shows reciprocal. So we can write it 1 upon a square. If we have 1 upon a raised to power minus 5, it will be negative power shows reciprocal, it means a raised to power 5. We can make the negative power positive by changing the place or by making it reciprocal. Next we have the expanded form. If we have a raised to power 3, it means that a is written twice in multiplication, a into a into a. Power shows the expanded form of the number. Let's have some more rules. The next rule is, if we have the same number in multiplication, if the bases are same and their powers are different, then in multiplication they will be added, a raised to power m plus n. If the same bases with the different power in division, this is division, then in division the powers will be subtracted. If we have a raised to power m and whole power n, power whole power, then these powers will be multiplied, a raised to power m into n. So these rules will be applied when we solve the questions of this exercise. So let's move to the exercise. Keep all these points in your mind because these points will be applicable in your exercise. So let's begin. Exercise 2. In first question we have so many parts, 15 parts we have. So the first is 2 raised to power minus 3. I have told that if there is negative power, then it shows reciprocal. We can write it like this. It means it is 1 by 8. We can evaluate it. Next is power 0, so value 1. Third is power negative, so it will be reciprocal. Fourth, 8 raised to power 5. Dot means this is into 8 raised to power 5 into 8 raised to power minus 5. I have told that if we have the same bases in multiplication, then the powers will be added, 8 raised to power 5 plus minus 5. Plus minus minus 8 raised to power 5 minus 5. This is 8 raised to power 0, value 1. In fifth also we have the negative power, it will be reciprocal. Fourth, the bracket has power 0, so its value is 1, so answer will be 3. Next we have seventh, 1 upon 2 raised to power minus 1 plus 1 upon 3 raised to power minus 1. I have told that negative power means reciprocal. 2 raised to power minus 1 means 2 in numerator. 3 raised to power minus 1 in denominator means 3 in numerator. 2 plus 3, it is 5. So till 11th easily you can solve. I am going to solve the 12th one. 6 raised to power 0, 6 raised to power minus 1 plus 3 raised to power minus 1. Power 0 means the value is 1. Minus 1 means reciprocal. Here also the minus 1 means reciprocal. LCM is 6. Multiply it by 6. 8 by 2. 6 plus 1 plus 2. 3 by 2. Question 2 is also same as the first. You have to simplify. By applying the property, in multiplication the powers will be added. In division they will be subtracted. Power whole power they will be multiplied. In third, we have the first part 4n cube. N cube means n is written thrice. So it will be 4 into n into n into n. This is the C part. 6x cube y square. 6 into x into x into x into y into y. Next we have question number 4. The first question is a raised to power 0, b raised to power minus 2, whole power 5 upon 2, a raised to power minus 1. You have to simplify it. How can we simplify? Very simple. First, if you have power 0, then write 1 in place of that number. B raised to power minus 2, whole power 5 upon 2, a raised to power minus 1. 1 raised to power 5, answer 1. B raised to power minus 2 whole power 5, b raised to power minus 10 upon 2, a raised to power minus 1. We have the negative powers in numerator and denominator. It means it is reciprocal. A raised to power 1 in numerator upon 2, b raised to power 10 in denominator. Till third it is same. In fourth, power whole power, powers will be multiplied and division it will be cancelled out. I am going to explain the fifth one. 4 k square, 4 raised to power minus 1k plus 4k raised to power minus 2. Let's simplify. First make the negative power positive. It will be 1 by 4k. 4 k raised to power minus 2 will be k square. Multiply these two terms by 4k square. 4k square into 1 by 4k plus 4k square into 4 by k square. It is cancelled out. So we have k cube plus 4 4 is 16. So I hope you can complete the fourth one also. In fifth, you have to express the given terms in term of power of 2. 8 2 raised to power 3, 8 raised to power x, 2 raised to power 3 whole power x, 16 raised to power x plus 3, 2 raised to power 4 whole power x plus 3. Then powers will be multiplied. Now the sixth and seventh are same. A is equals to 2 raised to power m and b is equals to 2 raised to power m plus 1. You have to show that 8a cube upon b square is equals to 2 raised to power m plus 1. Put the value. Take left hand side. We have 8a cube upon b square. The value of a is 2 raised to power m and whole power 3. Value of b is 2 raised to power m plus 1 and whole power is 2. In place of 8 we can write 2 cube. This is 2 raised to power 3m. Here we have power whole power, power will be multiplied. 2 raised to power 2m plus 2. In multiplication, powers will be added. 3 plus 3m upon 2 raised to power 2m plus 2. Division, they will be subtracted. 2 raised to power 3 plus 3m minus 2m minus 2. So we will be having 2 raised to power m and it is plus 1. This is the right hand side. Hence it is proved. Question number 7 is same as 6th. In 7th you have to get the value. So I hope you all have understood. Solve the question up to 8, and if you have any queries then you can ask. Thank you.